Hello everyone. Welcome to our learning community. In this video we are going to see types of languages used in PLC. Programmable logic controllers, PLCs, support various programming languages, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. There are 5 kinds of programming languages used. 1. Ladder logic. 2. Function block diagram. 3. Structured text. 4. Instruction list. 5. Sequential function charts. Ladder logic. Ladder logic is one of the most widely used languages in PLC programming. It resembles electrical relay logic diagrams, making it easy for electricians and technicians to understand. Ladder logic is particularly well suited for sequential control and discrete logic operations. Function block diagram, FBD, is a graphical programming language that represents control functions as interconnected blocks. It allows for modular and structured programming, making it suitable for complex control tasks. FBD is often used for mathematical operations, data processing, and complex logical operations. Structured text. Structured text is a high-level programming language similar to Pascal or BASIC. It offers more flexibility and power than graphical languages like ladder logic or function block diagram. Structured text is well suited for complex mathematical calculations, data processing, and algorithmic control tasks. Instruction list. Instruction list is a low-level programming language similar to assembly language. It uses mnemonic instructions to manipulate bits and bytes directly. Instruction list is less commonly used than other languages due to its complexity and low readability, but it can be useful for performance-critical applications or when programming constraints require it. Sequential function chart. SFC is a graphical programming language used to model complex control sequences and state-based logic. It allows programmers to organize control logic into multiple steps or stages, each with its own conditions and actions. Sequential function chart is well suited for tasks that involve sequential processes, state machines, or complex control sequences. Each of these languages has its own advantages and is suitable for different types of control tasks. PLC programmers often choose the language that best fits the requirements of the application, considering factors such as complexity, readability, performance, and familiarity with the. Most of the PLCs commonly used ladder logic.